Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. This one is my buffalo sauce recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Let's get you started.
I had no money, I still had sauce. So if you don't got no sauce, then you lost.
Using your favorite hot sauce or a one that you've made, link above. Mix in 2/3 of a cup of hot sauce, a tablespoon and a half of white vinegar, half a cup of butter, quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter of a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce or a good splash, pop it on the heat and whisk it together. Salt to season. Remove from the heat once it's boiling at the edges. You see there? Yeah, good.
Right.
You know what I mean?
I dig it.
Overdose of sauce.